Ripple price prediction, assessing the impact of ETF approval on XRP price. Ripple XRP maintains above a critical support level on Tuesday, buoyed by subtle tailwinds in the broader cryptocurrency market. A breakout past the $3 psychological level, followed by a rise to its record high of $3.66, is on the cards, backed by optimism for the approval of exchange-traded funds, ETFs in the fourth quarter. Cboe's BZX exchange, Nasdaq, and NYSE Arca filed 19 B4 forms with the United States U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), proposing amendments to the current crypto ETF's listing standards. The filings on July 30th came amid an influx of capital into existing Bitcoin BTC and Ethereum ETH spot ETFs. However, the SEC is sitting on over 90 crypto ETF proposals, according to Bloomberg analyst James Seifert, creating a burdensome backlog. A 19B4 filing is a document used by self-regulatory entities, such as exchanges, to propose rule changes to the SEC. The SEC has historically extended the ETF approval process to the maximum deadline of 240 days, significantly delaying new listings. However, with the proposed rule change, the SEC could fast-track the approval process amid a growing number of crypto ETF applications. Cboe's BZX exchange, Nasdaq, and NYSE Arca rule change proposal culminates in a three-condition listing criteria. According to a report by Galaxy Research, the first condition is that the commodity trades on a market that is an Intermarket Surveillance Group (ISG) member. I was looking through an article. XRP is finally seeing growing expectations for ETF approval. Due to the slow review process at the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), more than 90 applications have been backlogged. Recently, however, both Nasdaq and the New York Stock Exchange formally proposed that the SEC clarify its review standards and speed up the process. XRP has already met 2 out of the 3 requirements, and by September 20th, the final condition is expected to be automatically fulfilled. If ETF approval becomes a reality, first, institutional capital will flow in faster. Second, funds will expand beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum into altcoins. Third, XRP will be recognized as a regulated mainstream financial asset. XRP is now standing at the threshold of entering the institutional financial system. The most important point is that XRP has already met nearly all of the new regulatory requirements. By as early as September, it is expected to satisfy all the conditions. If the ETF is approved, what matters is not simply how high the price may rise, but the quality, quantity, and speed of capital flowing into the asset. And that is what must be remembered.